2005 Chevy 2500, crank no start. Bad engine ground. Ran a new wire right up to the battery just to verify repair. Start it. Yep. Shut it down. Shut it down. Obviously you're going to clean that up and make a new engine ground, but it's fixed.